Do you want to personalize your Windows 11 taskbar? In this quick guide, I will show you how to change the taskbar color step by step, plus a few extra customization options to make your desktop looks just the way you want. To change your taskbar color, in your start menu, just type Settings. You can navigate to Setting by pressing Windows plus I key. In setting, please navigate to personalization, click on colors, and then if you scroll down, you have an option show accent color on start and taskbar. You could see here that we cannot enable this. To enable this setting, we first have to enable Windows dark mode. Just scroll above here, just change it to dark mode, then scroll down again, and here we want to enable this setting. Now go ahead and select your favorite color and taskbar will update it accordingly. You can also make taskbar transparent. Just go ahead and enable transparency effect under the colors menu. If you want a classic window style, go back to personalization, open taskbar behaviors and switch the alignment from center to left. For a clean look, you could also hide widgets, search or other icon in the taskbar settings. And that's it. You have just customized your Windows 11 taskbar and changed its colors. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share favorite taskbar styles in comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.